What is up, guys? On this video, I will teach you how to boost your posts on Facebook so you can reach more customer. If you're a vlogger, you can reach more people. All right, without further ado, let's go to my computer. Hello there, guys. Welcome to my computer, and you are looking at my Facebook page. So right now, what we're gonna do, how to boost a post. So right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna post whatever we want to post. So we're gonna post, let's say there's a tire sale right now. You know, you own a business, so buy 3 get 1. I'll post that up. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna, hey, let's say type it in, hey, come out, we have a big tire deal today. Okay, so if you own a business, this post is, let's say you own a business and you want to promote it, and you want to promote it locally. So I'm gonna post it up. Okay, so now it's posted, right? Hey, come out, we have a big tire deal today. So right here, we're gonna boost this post up. Get more people to react, comment, and share. You can do that starting from $1. Alright, connect and chat with potential customer. So what's gonna happen, you click that, it's gonna have a send message button, and you can get with, you know, with a customer. You can talk to them. Alright, and this one right here, this is what's gonna look like. So from your mobile phone, this is what's gonna look like. It's gonna be looking like this. Alright, Facebook stream mobile video, it's gonna look like this. Okay, desktop newsfeed, that's what I have right now, a desktop. So what you're gonna do is, I don't want that, I'm not gonna put no button. So now we're gonna targeting people specifically. Let's say you live in San Diego. So I'm gonna type in San Diego, California, right there, Bell. Okay, plus 25 miles radius, it's right there around that area. If you want to go further, like LA, maybe you go 50. Oops, it's not gonna be even rich LA. So if you want to be a little bit, if you want more radius, so your post can be seen at, you can do that. So let's, and then the age, what age are you targeting? 18 to 65, you can change 21 to 65. Right, and right here it's all your audience size is defined. Good job. So let's say that. And then on detailed targeting, you want to be more detailed. So let's say people who own Toyota car. So Toyota car, or own a Toyota, you can do that. Okay, people who own people who own Honda. Okay, interest Honda, and then and so on and so forth, right? You can narrow it down. So you save that. So you get San Diego right here, 21 to 65 years old, 50-mile radius. Interest, if they own Toyota or Honda, let's say their car is getting bold, so they can get a good deal right here. And okay, if I own this page, I got like 8,000 people who like this page. I can do this. Okay, I can click this, and or people who like your page and their friends, I can do that one too. Alright, so let's go down here. So automatic placement, I always turn it on, whatever recommended, so they can maximize your budget. So let's say I want to do 2 days, but they were Facebook saying it's better to run your ads for 4 days, but you can play it around. Okay, you want to do, you know, to get a best result, they want you to run 4 days, but always do it like, you know, whatever you want. So let's say you want to do it 4 days. All right, so now your daily budget, let's say your daily budget is like $5. Okay, so you're running for 4 days, so that's 20 bucks. All right, so you see, you will spend $5 per day. This ad will run for 4 days, ending on August 2nd, starting today. So estimated people reach per day is 800 230 to 2,400. That's the impression. Okay, that's the people gonna see this. If they share it, it could be more. Okay, and then the payment, you can set that up, and then now you boost your posts. Okay,